So hello friends, let's come to session 3 of trigonometric functions. Almost हम conclusion की तरफ जा रहे हैं, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता trigonometric functions ख़त्म होते जा रहे हैं. So here's a special type and a very important type. How to integrate integrals of this type. इसका एक special ये रहता है कि numerator is always constant और denominator में sin और cos होंगे और उनकी डिग्री 2 होगी. ठीक है. सो इट विल द डिनोमिनेटर विल बी क्वाड्रेटिक इन साइन एंड कॉस. इट कुड बी द केस कि उन दोनों में से सिर्फ एक ही हो. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो दोनों प्रेजेंट हो. एंड देयर इज अ स्पेशल केस ऑल्सो कि इट कुड बी द सम ऑफ टू एंड देन होल रेज पावर टू. So how to integrate this type of integral? This is very simple. What you do here is step number 1, you will be dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x, right? So when you divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, the numerator will have sec square x dx. This form, because it is constant, 1 upon cos square x will make it what? Sec square. So in denominator, if there is a sec square, if it is there, so it is to be transformed to 1 plus tan square x. It means denominator is to be a function of tan x. ठीक है. सो डिनोमिनेटर जो बनेगा दैट विल बी tan x का फंक्शन बनेगा. सो दैट यू पुट tan x इक्वल्स टू t एंड sec square x dx will be dt. As we have not done linear upon quadratic or some standard quadratic denominator integrals, so we may not be solving the entire, but I will just be discussing the algorithm with you people how to solve these type of integrals. So for example, if you get a question like dx upon 1 plus 2 cos square x, right? Or it could be 3 cos square x also. Sometimes you feel like that 2 cos square x can give you a formula also. So 1 plus 3 cos square x I take. अब तो दूसरा कोई फॉर्मूला माइंड में आएगा भी नहीं आपके. So what you do here is you multiply numerator and you divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So it becomes cos square x dx upon 1 by cos square x plus 3 cos square x by cos square x. Right. So this will be numerator will be sec square x dx upon this 1 upon cos square x will be sec square x in the denominator, plus this will get cancelled, it will be 3. So what did I tell you here is, if sec square x is in denominator, so it has to be converted to tan by using the identities. But this is to be done only in denominator, not in numerator. So this will give you what? This will give you sec square x dx divided by sec square x, sorry, I'm so sorry, it's 1 plus tan square x plus 3, and this further will give you sec square x dx whole divided by tan square x plus 4. Right. Now what you do here is you substitute tan of x equals to t. So when you put tan of x is equal to t, so this will give you sec square x dx is equal to dt. Right. So your I will be equal to dt upon t square plus 2 square. So this is of the type dx upon x square plus a square, and the formula was 1 by a tan inverse x upon a plus c. So like your formula यहाँ पे you apply the formula. So this will be in place of x we have got t here, right? So this will give you what? 1 upon a 1 upon 2 tan inverse t upon a plus c. So this is 1 by 2 tan inverse, what was t here? Tan x. So tan x upon 2 plus c. Done and dusted. This is over. So this is how do you do it, right? But this approach is applicable only, I'm again give you a reminder, if sin x or cos x, if in denominator they have got degree 2, ठीक है जी, और numerator is to be कांस्टेंट। अगर न्यूमरेटर कांस्टेंट नहीं है तो ये अप्रोच अप्लाई नहीं होगा। लाइक देयर इज अनदर केस, आई एम टेकिंग dx अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस 2 कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स। ठीक है। So again, if I apply that concept, हालांकि बहुत अलग से concept है, I can write this one cos square x as cos square, this 2 cos square x as cos square x plus cos square x, it will become sin square x plus cos square x will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 2, it will be 2 plus cos square x. But we have got a basic standard form, क्यों टेंशन लेनी, हमें सामने दिख रहा है कि sin की भी डिग्री 2 है, cos की भी डिग्री 2 है, न्यूमरेटर कांस्टेंट है, so हम वो अप्रोच लड़ा सकते हैं. So when you divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, what do you get here? Sec square x dx, 1 upon cos square, sec square x, sin square upon cos square x, tan square x, right? And this will be plus 2 cos square x upon cos square x, cancel हो गया. Denominator वाला का अगर sec square x है तो क्या करोगे उसको 1 plus tan square x लिख दोगे इसकी जगह, यही बोला गया था आपको. That is, please do it. So this will give you what? Sec square x dx divided by 1 plus tan square x plus tan square x plus 2. So it will be sec square x dx upon 2 tan square x plus 3. So from denominator you can take 2 out. It will be sec square x dx upon tan square x plus 3 by 2. And rest you know what to do. You put tan of x by 2 equals, sorry, tan of x is equal to t sec square x dx will give you what? dt. And rest you know that you can apply the formula. So you solve it. So this is how do you evaluate the integrals where numerator is constant and denominator has got sin square x and cos square x. Fine. Now we talk about another interesting type where sin x and cos x are there in denominator but their degree is 1. That is another type. So same type of questions like in this type, but सिर्फ फर्क इतना है कि वहाँ पर denominator का degree 2 हो जाएगा. What I'm talking about is this a plus b sin x, sorry, denominator का degree 1 हो जाएगा, dx upon a plus b cos x, or it is of the type dx upon a plus b sin x plus c cos x. Right? तो डिनोमिनेटर जो है वहाँ पे sin x का या cos x का डिग्री कितना है? 1 है. So how to solve these type of integrals? इनके लिए आपके पास एक की पॉइंट रहेगा. Sorry, the key point is sin of x will be 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is the formula. ठीक है. And cos x will be 1 minus tan square half angle upon 1 plus tan square half angle. किसी के साथ डिवाइड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. sin x की जगह ये वैल्यू लगाओगे, cos x की जगह ये वैल्यू लगाओगे. You will take the LCM. So denominator का 1 plus tan square x by 2 will go to numerator. And then you'll apply the identity 1 plus tan square theta is sec square. So it will become sec square x by 2. Denominator में आप tan x by 2 को t ले लोगे, sec square x by 2 dx twice of tt बन जाएगा. So what I mean to say is, let's have an example. So if I take example like I is equal to integration dx 2 plus cos x. Right? So this will be equal to dx upon 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. And if I solve it further, this will be, take the LCM. So it will be 2 plus 2 tan square x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, it will come to the numerator. Right? अब न्यूमरेटर वाला जो 1 plus tan square x by 2 है, दिस इज इक्वल टू सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स बाई टू। ये सर न्यूमरेटर में ही लगाना है फॉर्मूला, अगर डिनोमिनेटर में आ रहा है तो नहीं लगाना है आपको। सो दिस इज इक्वल टू सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स बाई टू डी एक्स होल डिवाइडेड बाय 2+1 कितना हो गया हमारे पास 3, 2 tan स्क्वायर एक्स बाई टू माइनस tan स्क्वायर एक्स बाई टू tan स्क्वायर एक्स बाई टू, राइट। अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग, tan x बाई टू को t ले लेंगे। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इन वेरी फर्स्ट सेशन, जब हमने पढ़ा था कि अगर हमारे पास कभी भी tan x आ जाए और उसके साथ हमने sec स्क्वायर x को ढूंढना है क्योंकि वो उसका डेरिवेटिव होता है। सो दिस विल फर्दर गिव अस I इज इक्वल टू व्हेन यू पुट tan x बाई टू इक्वल्स टू t, tan का डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा sec स्क्वायर x बाई टू इंटू x बाई टू का डेरिवेटिव 1/2 dx इक्वल्स टू dt। So this will be sec square x by 2 dx equals to 2 dt, right? So it will 2 comes out dt upon 3 plus t square, right sir? So it will be 2 dt upon 3 plus t square. So you can write 2 comes out dt, this is a root 3 square plus t square. बन गया special integral. So this is 2 here, 1 by a tan inverse t upon a plus c, and what is there in place of t? Substitute that value. This will be 2 upon root 3 tan inverse, what is t? T tan x by 2, right? Whole divided by root 3 plus c, that's it, right? So here what you need to do is, here you need to know the formula of half angle, right? Whereas in the previous type we were dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x. So let's have one more example on this and then we will be closing our today's session, right? So if you talk about next example, so we can have it like this: I is equal to dx upon sin x plus cos x minus 1. Let me consider something like this. So you substitute the formula, what do you get as 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2 minus 1. एलसीएम ले लीजिए इसका, जब आप एलसीएम लोगे तो डिनोमिनेटर विल बी 1 plus tan square x by 2 will go to numerator, ठीक है, divided by this will be 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 and minus it will be 1 plus tan square x by 2, right? So now what you need to do is you apply the identity 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x. So your I will be equal to sec square x by 2 dx whole divided by, this will be 1 and 1 gone, and it will be minus tan square x by 2, and what it will be, oh sorry, minus tan x square, and this is minus, so minus 2 tan square x by 2, right, and plus 2 tan x by 2. So you can have minus 1 by 2 out, and if I put tan x by 2 equals to t, sec square x dx will be twice, sorry, x by 2 dx will be twice of dt, so this 2 will come out here, right? So dt upon, I have taken minus out from this, I have taken 2 out from this, so it will be t square plus t, right? 2 and 2 cancel, so this is the special integral. You can take t out, it is t plus 1. We apply the partial fractions to get the answer. All of us know how to apply partial fractions, right? So partial fraction apply करेंगे, answer आ जाएगा. So this is how you can do the questions of the type dx upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c, right? So that's all for session 3 from trigonometry. So see you soon in session 4 of trigonometry. Till time, please work hard. Thank you so much.